Hello, my friends. All right, my friends. This week we have been learning all about harvest. Harvest meaning picking the fruits and vegetables off of trees and vines and plants, wherever that they are growing. And so we have read a story every day that involves something with apples or pumpkins or harvest or so today is our last day. We are going to read about fall pumpkins. And as you see, I have my pumpkin on my shirt. It says Happy Fall, y'all. Isn't it so cute? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's say hello to Miss Mingo the Flamingo. Hello, Miss Mingo. Thank you for joining us. You're falling over a little bit, Miss Mingo. There we go. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and get started with our story. I'm super excited because today is snack day and we're making carameled apples. Yes, I'm so excited. All right, but we got to read our book first, so let's do that. It's called Fall Pumpkins, Plump and Orange. It is spring, but I am thinking about fall. Hey, it's fall now. Let's grow pumpkins in the garden. So in the springtime, you plant the seeds, which if you watch the other videos about the pumpkin, you take the pumpkin seeds out, you let them dry up a little bit, you put them in some water, let a little vine start, you put them in the soil, and you let them grow. But that has to happen during the springtime. We make little hills in the soil. My hands get dirty. We plant 2 or 3 seeds in each hill. Now remember, I also told you that if you plant pumpkins, they grow huge. The pumpkins are huge, but the vines, the plant itself is very big. So make sure you give it plenty of room. And look at, you have to plant them inside of a hill, just like that. We dig moats around the hills. Then we water the seeds. Sunshine warms the wet soil. Later, the seeds crack open and tiny roots grow down. So a moat is a trench, is a hole that goes around the hill. It's a hole that you dig, and then you put the water in there, and then the water soaks down. Look at here. This is what's happening to the seeds right there. So the seeds go in the dirt, and then the roots will start growing in the mounds right here. It would be inside of here. And they're going to go grow down inside of here, and then the pumpkin vines will grow here, and the pumpkins will grow out there. Pretty cool. 2 weeks pass. Look, I see tiny seedlings. Little leaves grow from thin vines. The vines spread out. Curly, tender leaves grab on to other plants or fences. So that's how come you have to have them spread out, because they grow huge. That's pretty cool, huh? Now it is summer. Look, I see yellow leaves on the vine. Male leaves have pollen inside them. Female flowers have a bump. Buzz. Bees spread pollen from one flower to another. The pumpkin will grow to the bump will grow to be a pumpkin. So bees are very, very important. Not only do we get honey, but they also pollinate. They go to different plants and trees and they pollinate. That's what it's called. They take the pollen from one flower and they put it into another flower and it mixes, and that's what makes our fruits and vegetables. So don't kill the bees. Stay away from them. They don't want to hurt you. If they're coming around, they're just curious. They're just like, what is this? Maybe you smell good. That's what they want to know, what's going on over there. But don't kill them, because we need them. We need them for our fruits and our vegetables to grow. Very interesting, huh? Little green pumpkins begin to grow. I water the plants every week. They start small and grow bigger and bigger all summer. Leaves take in warm sunlight. We learned that before. Sunlight becomes food for the growing pumpkin plant. So we need dirt, sun, water, and all of that helps plants grow. So look at the process. Starts out small, goes bigger, bigger, and here we are now. Finally, it is fall, harvest time. Cool air and short days tell the pumpkins to stop growing. Their skin turns orange, the leaves turn yellow, and I'm ready to pick one. Most ripe pumpkins are orange, but some kinds are green, white, blue, or red. All pumpkins are green when they first begin to grow. Very interesting facts, huh? Look at all those different colors. And remember, we already learned they could be any size and any shape. There's not one specific pumpkin. Let's make pumpkin pie. Splash! We wash the pumpkin skin. Chop! We cut up the pumpkin and bake the pieces. We scoop out the soft flesh and make a pie. It smells delicious. Have you ever made pumpkin pie? You guys should try it as a family. It's so much fun and delicious. Let's carve a pumpkin. We cut open the top, we scoop out the seeds, we cut out 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and don't forget to add a candle. Yikes! Our jack-o'-lantern looks spooky. And we already learned that you can eat the pumpkin seeds if you roast them. And a pumpkin is a pumpkin until you carve it. When you carve it, it's called a jack-o'-lantern. Whoa. I saved some of the pumpkin seeds. I will plant them next spring. I will think about my pumpkin patch all winter long. How big will my pumpkins grow next year? Whoa, look at how huge this is. There have been some really big pumpkins. I don't know how they grow them that big. And then here's the recipe to make seeds. I will send a picture of this to you guys as well so that you guys could have the recipe. But pumpkin seeds are delicious. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed our book. I had a great week with you guys learning about fall harvest, not festival, fall harvest, and how we get our fruits and vegetables during the fall season. So spring and summer is very important because it starts growing there and it ends up coming off in the autumn season. So how exciting. All right, my friends, I have a special book for you that we're going to read, so check out the next video. We'll see you later. Bye.